You park your car in the driveway of your own home. It's not a mansion, but it's yours. Stable, with a yard, and space for family. Your phone lights up. Another commission just hit. $9,000 after split. This month alone, you've cleared enough to cover mortgage, bills, and a little extra. Your year-to-date earnings just passed $100,000. You close the door, sit down with your partner, and feel it. Financial breathing room for the first time. No more scraping by paycheck to paycheck. You control your schedule. You built this. This is your life now. You are 33, and you are earning over $100,000 a year as a real estate agent. But 5 years ago, none of this felt possible. You are 28. Your current job pays the bills but drains you. No savings buffer. No real estate knowledge. One evening you search how to become a real estate agent. You decide this could change everything. But first, the real work begins. You pick an online pre-licensing course. Affordable and flexible. Most states require 60 to 180 hours. Average around 120 hours, depending where you live. You choose a respected online provider. Cost? $600. You pay $450 up front. That's your biggest single expense so far. You keep your day job. No quitting yet. Every night after work, 2 to 3 hours. Weekends longer. You read contracts, learn fair housing laws, property types. You take practice quizzes. Some nights you fall asleep at the table. Friends say, real estate? That's hard. You push through anyway. After 4 months of consistent study, you finish the course. You schedule the state exam. Exam fee, $100. You pass on the second try. Many do with good prep. Then application. Fingerprinting/background check, $100. State license fee, $300. Total spent so far, about $1,000. That's your startup investment. No fancy gear, just education and fees. Time passed, 6 months. Income earned, $0 from real estate. Money out of pocket, $1,000. Bills still due. You feel the pressure. But now you hold your license. You are officially a real estate salesperson. The door is open. You join a brokerage. They sponsor you. No big upfront cost beyond small desk/MLS fees starting soon. This is the hardest part for most. The unseen grind before any paycheck. But you made the decision every day to study instead of scroll. That small choice compounds. You are no longer stuck. You have a path. You have your license. You join a mid-tier brokerage, one with good training and reasonable fees. They take a 70-30 split to start. You keep 70%, they take 30%. Desk fee or transaction fee, $100 per month or per deal. MLS access and board dues, $800 for the year. Total ongoing costs this stage, about $2,000 over the next 12 months. You add that to your earlier $1,000 startup. Cash is tight. You keep the day job part-time or full if needed. The real struggle hits here. Most new agents close 0 to 4 deals in year 1. Many close 2 to 6 if consistent. You aim for the higher end by working every day. You start prospecting daily. Text/call 20 to 50 people from your sphere. Friends, family, past coworkers. You host open houses, often empty at first. Door knocking or farming a neighborhood, awkward, lots of no thanks. You post listings on social media, but followers are low. Rejection piles up. Some weeks, 0 leads. You question the decision, but you keep showing up. Your first lead comes from a friend of a friend, a modest home, $250,000 to $300,000 range. You write the offer, handle inspections, negotiate repairs. It takes 3 months from lead to contract to close. Closing, 45 days typical. First commission, $4,000 after split and fees. You keep around $3,000 net. You celebrate quietly. Pays a few months' bills. Over the next 12 months, you close 3 more, mostly buyer side at first. Easier entry. Average per side commission after split, $4,500 gross, net $3,500. Year 1 total gross commission income, $13,500 common for persistent full-time agents. Many earn $10,000 to $30,000. You hit around $17,500 gross if you've done 4 closings. Net after expenses/taxes, closer to $10,000. You cover basics, but no extras. Remember, all this time you are still employed at your part-time job. Key decisions that move you forward. You track every contact in a simple spreadsheet or free CRM. You ask every client for referrals, even small ones. You learn scripts for objections and follow up relentlessly. You attend brokerage trainings weekly. Time passed since decision, 18 months total. Income earned from real estate, $17,500 gross. Money still tight. Side job or savings help. But you have proof. Real checks, real experience. You are surviving the rookie year. Most quit here. You don't. You survived year 1. Most new agents quit by now. You didn't. Now year 2 starts. The real turning point if you stay consistent. Your brokerage split improves slightly. From 70-30, you negotiate to 75-25 based on production. Many brokerages reward persistence this way. Desk/MLS fees stay similar. $800 per year. You add real marketing spend. You budget $2,500 this year. Realistic for building. Things like professional headshots, $400. Better business cards/flyers, $300. Basic Facebook/Instagram ads, $1,000. Simple website or landing page, $500. Yard signs, $300 for a few. No big budget waste. Targeted low-cost actions. Prospecting becomes routine. You commit to daily habits. Contact 30 to 50 people from your sphere every day. Texts, calls, coffee invites. Follow up every lead relentlessly. No one and done. Ask for referrals after every interaction, even if no sale. Host 1 open houses per month. Now you get 5 to 10 visitors sometimes. Post consistently on social. Market updates, just listed, client testimonials. Join local networking groups or Chamber of Commerce. Rejections still happen, but leads compound. Referrals start trickling in from past clients and friends. You close 8 deals this year if persistent. Typical for full-time agents building, 7 to 9 sides, buyer/seller. Average home price in mid-range market, $300,000 to $400,000. Commission per side after split, $5,000 to $9,000 gross. Net $3,500 to $7,000 after fees. Year 2 gross commission income, $45,000 to $75,000 common for agents who grind. You hit around $55,000 gross. Net after expenses, taxes, self-employment, closer to $40,000 take home. Better than year 1. You cover all bills comfortably, maybe pay down debt, or start small emergency fund. Key decisions that accelerate this. You track every contact and follow up in a free or cheap CRM, like Google Sheets or HubSpot free tier. You focus on one neighborhood or niche, first-time buyers, relocations, to become known. You deliver exceptional service, under-promise, over-deliver, so reviews and referrals flow. You learn pricing, negotiations, inspections deeper through free brokerage classes or YouTube. Time passed since decision, 30 months total. Income from real estate, $55,000 gross this year. Cumulative earnings building. You feel momentum. People start saying you're good at this. The network effect kicks in. Small at first, but real. You upgrade life subtly. Reliable used car if needed, nicer work clothes, occasional dinner out. The struggle eases. You know exactly what to do each day. You are becoming the agent people call first. And most importantly, you can now quit your job. Focus 100% on your business. You enter year 3. The rookie phase is behind you. Your habits from year 2 compound. You are now a consistent producer if you keep the discipline. Brokerage split improves again. Many persistent agents reach 80-20 or even 90-10 by production milestones. You negotiate based on your track record. Ongoing fees. Desk or MLS, $800 per year. Marketing budget realistic, $4,000 this year. You invest smarter. Professional photos for listings, $1,000 per property. Targeted Facebook, Instagram ads, $2,000. CRM upgrade if needed, $500 per year. Client gifts, thank yous, $500. Total spend, controlled, focused on ROI. Daily routine solidifies. You maintain 20 to 40 meaningful contacts daily. Calls, texts, coffee meets, pop buys. Relentless follow-up on every lead. 1 open houses weekly. Now drawing real buyers. Consistent content. Market reports. Success stories. Neighborhood spotlights. Niche focus pays off. You specialize. For example, first-time buyers. Move-up homes. Specific area. You build repeat referral business. Past clients send friends. closings increase. Persistent full-time agents average 8 to 12 transaction sides in year 3. You aim for 10 if consistent. Mix buyer/seller. More listings now. Average sale price in typical market, $350,000 to $450,000. Commission per side after improved split, $6,000 to $11,000 gross. Net $4,500 to $9,000 after fees. Year 3 gross commission income, $60,000 to $90,000 common for agents building steadily. You reach around $70,000 gross. Net take home after expenses/taxes/self-employment, $45,000. This covers comfortable living, rent/mortgage paid, savings starting, debt down. No more scraping. You breathe easier. Time passed since decision, 42 months total. Income from real estate this year, $70,000. Cumulative progress, clear. Your name circulates. Call my agent, they're great. Rejections drop. Trust rises. The business feels sustainable. Life upgrades realistically. Perhaps move to a better apartment or small starter home. Reliable transportation, family vacations once a year. Emergency fund growing. You wake up knowing the pipeline exists. You are a professional real estate agent now. You reach year 4 to 5. The foundation from earlier years pays dividends. If you maintain daily discipline, prospecting, service, referrals, you enter top producer territory for a regular, persistent agent. Not elite millionaire level, but solidly above average. Brokerage split optimizes. Persistent agents often hit 90-10 or cap models. For example, pay brokerage a flat fee after certain production. You earn more per deal. Ongoing costs, desk/MLS/board, $1,500 per year. Marketing realistic and scaled, $10,000 this year. Investments include high-quality professional photos/videos for listings, $500 per property. Targeted digital ads/Google/Facebook, $4,000. CRM with automation, $700 per year. Client events or newsletters, $500. Perhaps part-time assistant or virtual help, $400 per month for admin. Total spend, intentional, high ROI, not extravagant. Systems take over routine work. Your daily/weekly habits, 15 to 30 high-value contacts, referral asks, past client check-ins, sphere nurturing. Focus 60 to 70% on listings, control flow, higher commissions, delegate low-value tasks, scheduling paperwork, to free time. Leverage reviews/Zillow/Google, top visibility. Niche mastery, become go-to in specific area or buyer type. Referrals now 50% plus of business. Past clients/friends, send steady leads. Production rises. Consistent full-time agents at this stage close 10 to 15 transaction sides per year. Mixed listings/buyers, more seller heavy. In typical mid-range market, average sale $400,000 to $500,000. Commission per side after strong split, $8,000 to $14,000 gross. Net $6,000 to $12,000 after fees. Year 4 to 5, gross commission income, $80,000 to $130,000 common for persistent agents building to top tier. You reach around $100,000 gross, for example, 11 to 14 closings. Net take home after expenses/taxes/self-employment, $80,000 plus. This provides real financial stability. Mortgage on starter home, retirement contributions starting, debt minimal. Time passed since decision, 60 months total. Income from real estate this year, $100,000 gross. Cumulative earnings show clear trajectory upward. Your reputation grows. Recommend my agent becomes common. Leads arrive without heavy cold outreach. The business runs smoother. Life feels balanced and rewarding. Own a comfortable home, perhaps bought with your earnings. Reliable vehicle, family security, ability to take a real vacation annually, growing savings. You are no longer just surviving. You are thriving as a respected professional. The $100,000 milestone is within clear sight, often crossed here or next year with one strong quarter. You hit years 5 to 6. The consistent effort from the past 4 years has built a real business. Referrals drive most leads now. Cold outreach drops to maintenance level. You are in the group of persistent agents who reach sustainable 6 figures. Not the top 10%, but solidly there through daily discipline. Brokerage split is favorable. Often 85 to 15 to 90 to 10 or a cap model, where you keep nearly everything after a threshold. Ongoing costs, desk/MLS/board, $1,500 $500 per year. Marketing scaled wisely. $6,000 this year. Includes premium listing visuals, $1,000 per property, digital ads, $4,000, client appreciation events / newsletters, $1,000, assistant help, $1,500 per month part-time for showings / paperwork. Every dollar tracked for return, business-like approach. Your production stabilizes at top producer level for a regular agent. Persistent full-time agents crossing $100,000 gross typically close 10 to 15 sides per year at this point. More listings, higher average prices. In a typical market, average sale $400,000 to $550,000. Commission per side after strong split, $8,000 to $15,000 gross, net $6,500 to $13,000 after fees. This year, you closed 12 deals. Mix of repeat clients, referrals, and some new from online presence / reviews. 1 or 2 higher-end listings push the numbers. Year 5 to 6 gross commission income, $100,000 to $130,000 plus. You cross the $100,000 gross milestone, around $120,000 gross common in this realistic path. Net take-home after expenses, taxes, self-employment, $90,000. This means real financial freedom, mortgage paid comfortably, savings building, ability to invest modestly or take time off without panic. Time passed since decision at 28, 6 years total. Income from real estate this year, $120,000 gross. You hit and exceed $100,000 earned in commissions. You are 34. You built this from 0 skills, 0 connections, just persistent daily choices. The phone rings with opportunities. You choose your schedule. You have security most jobs can't match. The milestone feels earned, not flashy, but deeply satisfying. You reflect on the nights studying, empty open houses, rejections turned into lessons. Every small decision compounded. You made it. You are 28 right now. It's March 29th, 2026. You have 0 real estate experience, 0 connections, but you also have time, persistence, and the ability to make one decision today. The version of you earning over $100,000 a year as a real estate agent didn't get there by luck. They got there by choosing every single day to study instead of scroll, to follow up instead of give up, to show up when no one else did. That version started exactly where you are. The only real difference? The decision in the next 24 hours. If this resonated, drop a comment right now. I'm starting today or day 1. Like the video if you want to see more journeys like this. Subscribe and hit the bell. Next video, another realistic $100,000 path from 0. In the description below, realistic timeline checklist, PDF download. You don't need to be special, you just need to start.